Instagram, Facebook. Remember when I told you I was younger, I didn't go see a dentist until I was a sophomore, and I had a rare dental disease. So I had all kind of surgeries. I wore braces, so I still have most of my teeth. If I hadn't gone to Miss Mills, I would probably have no teeth, so thank you. So I went to the dentist the other day. They're kind of looking, oh, those teeth are still strong. That's still there. That's still there. Let's do the laser. Let's do the fluoride. Okay. Then like your gums are bleeding, so try this. Well, really bleeding. I was trying to use like the older Listerine. I don't know. So I've tried something different. So I'm trying the Gum Detoxify. Technology has come along so way. I remember the proxy brush used to be on like this handle. Now they're these little things. I remember they only had like 1 or 2 fluoride toothbrushes. Now everything's like gum detoxifying, gingivitis relating, fixing. It's just amazing. But I want you guys to take care of your teeth. I use this proxy brush, dental floss. I use Listerine. Make sure you take care of your teeth, man. Because if not, they're gonna charge you to fix them, man. I'm telling you. You go in there, the X-ray thing. I thought it was like saw. Put your teeth on here, rotating around and stuff. There's all kind of crazy stuff. Taking your blood pressure. What the fuck does my blood pressure got to do with my goddamn teeth? So tell me what does that have to do with anything? I mean, just fix my teeth, man. Can't you just fucking, what's the thing? Just do your fucking job. Fix my teeth, man. So I do that. But let me know if you guys have any advice about teeth. I've had braces, teeth pulled, dental surgeries, almost died from a bad allergy thing where they had to go through the mouth, through the nose to take out the brain poison. So I had like different pressure points from that for a while. So there's all kind of stuff I've gone through, man. So let me help you out. Subscribe. Anything on teeth, man, I'm an expert. I've been doing it for the past 30 years. I probably know more than most dentists. Later.